In the mystical realm of wisdom, 2024 unfolds with the promise of a magic unlike any other. Embark on a transformative journey as Zenith Wisdom Weaver unveils the profound Zen secrets to success. Brace yourself for a tale where the power of thought intertwines with ancient wisdom, paving the way for a year of unparalleled achievement. Are you ready to unlock the magic within your mind and manifest your destiny in 2024? Let's start with magic. Number 1. The power of intention. In the tranquil garden of aspirations, Zenith recounts the tale of a humble seeker who harnessed the power of intention to manifest extraordinary success. Through mindful contemplation and purposeful action, discover the first secret that sets the stage for an enchanted year. Number 2. Embracing impermanence. As cherry blossoms bloom and fall, Zenith explores the Zen principle of impermanence. In the dance of fleeting moments, learn how to navigate change gracefully, unlocking the second secret that forms the foundation of lasting success. Number 3. The art of mindful action. Beneath the ancient Bodhi tree, Zenith weaves a story of a warrior who mastered the art of mindful action. Journey through the warrior's path, uncovering the third secret that propels you towards success with purposeful steps. Number 4. Cultivating inner stillness. Amidst the echoes of a mountain monastery, Zenith reveals the tale of a monk who found success through inner stillness. Embrace the fourth secret as you learn the art of cultivating tranquility in a chaotic world. Number 5. The dance of adaptability. In a cosmic ballroom, Zenith narrates the story of a dancer who triumphed by adapting to the ever-changing rhythms of life. Explore the fifth secret, discovering how adaptability becomes the key to unlocking doors to success. Number 6. Gratitude as a catalyst. Under a star-studded sky, Zenith shares the story of a grateful soul whose gratitude became a catalyst for abundance. Unravel the sixth secret as you learn to infuse gratitude into the fabric of your life. Number 7. Simplicity in complexity. Through the intricate strokes of a Zen painting, Zenith unveils the story of a wise artist who found success in simplicity. Delve into the seventh secret, understanding how simplicity can navigate the complexities of your journey. Number 8. The ripple effect of kindness. Beside a tranquil pond, Zenith shares the story of a compassionate soul whose kindness rippled through the world, creating waves of success. Explore the eighth secret, realizing the profound impact of kindness on your path. Number 9. The alchemy of patience. In an ancient alchemist's workshop, Zenith tells the story of a patient alchemist who transformed challenges into golden opportunities. Uncover the ninth secret, learning the alchemy of patience on the road to success. Number 10. Enlightenment through service. In the heart of a bustling village, Zenith unfolds the tale of a selfless soul who found enlightenment through service. The 10th secret emerges, revealing how success is not just a destination but a journey of service to others. As the cosmic tapestry of wisdom unfurls, Zenith leaves you with the resonating truth that whatever you think, you will indeed get it in 2024. Armed with the 10 Zen secrets to success, may your journey be a masterpiece of mindful creation, manifesting magic and realizing the extraordinary in the ordinary moments of the coming year.